Hi everyone, Diane Gonzalez, Arban Independent Consultant, and today I want to introduce you to the last step in our beautiful new AgeWell skincare line, Evolutionary. And this is the AgeWell Intense Repairing Night Cream with 2% bakuchiol. This intensely hydrating cream ensures those 8 hours of sleep work hard for you. Formulated with 2% bakuchiol to help reduce the look of facial wrinkles and beech tree bud extract to smooth the look of skin texture with hydration. You'll always wake up with soft, supple skin. Now, I know a lot of people have told me in the past that they don't like night creams because they're oily, greasy, heavy, mess up their pillow pillowcase, and just can't stand to put on a night cream. I'm going to tell you right off the bat, this night cream soaks right in and you will wake up with such soft, beautiful skin. You're going to love it with no residue on your pillowcase. It's fantastic. Now, here's the features. Ultra hydrating cream works overnight to deliver soft, supple skin by replenishing moisture and providing essential nourishment while you sleep. Helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles through moisturization, helping you to maximize the skin's natural reparative cycle and wake to a healthy, youthful looking glow. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Bakuchiol, come on down here to the ingredients and benefits. Bakuchiol is a plant-based retinol alternative. Helps to reduce the look of facial wrinkles, better tolerated on the skin than retinol. Now, this is not only for people with sensitive skin who have had reactions or uncomfortableness from using a retinol product. This is also for people who have been on a retinol product. This is going to take your skincare regime to the next level. It's tolerated better, it's soaked in better, it does so much more for your skin. Plus, it helps with the stabilized vitamin C, which supports the collagen through moisturization, and sustainable plant stem cell extract helps to improve the appearance of skin radiance, elasticity, firmness, and texture, while minimizing the appearance of wrinkles by conditioning the skin. And because that bakuchiol is so sensitive, we can put in 30% more stabilized vitamin C and sustainable plant stem cell extract. So your skin is just getting a magnificent boost of just cocktail nutrients. Amazing. Plus, we have the vitamin B3 niacinamide, helps to support the skin's moisture barrier with hydration to enhance the appearance of brightness and even tone. Beech tree bud extract smooths the look of skin texture with hydration, and the hyaluronic acid supports the protective moisture barrier with hydration to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Now, what you're doing is every night you are feeding your skin while you sleep, and it is holding that moisturization, that hydration in your skin, which, as you know, when you have a dry hand and you put hand moisturizer on, you just literally see it smooth out and relax and have more elasticity, and aside from the fact it's much more comfortable, right? Well, this is what happens with this skincare line when you put it on your skin. It's holding in there longer, much more thoroughly. It's sitting there so it can really feed your skin, and it's so gentle and fantastic that everyone is seeing amazing, amazing results. As I've mentioned before, people are getting obsessed with this skincare line, and there's good reason. So there's the night cream. Look through the videos. I've gone through all the steps. Get ready to just be amazed because this skincare line is phenomenal. Thanks for checking in.